Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be sharing with you how I made this delicious pot of spaghetti jollof. It's very easy and quick to make. Let's get started. In a pot of boiling water, I added the spaghetti and I'll allow it to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Once I add my spaghetti in a pot of boiling water, I go ahead to give it a quick stir to avoid it from sticking together when I'm ready to drain the water off the spaghetti. Now the spaghetti has steamed for 5 to 10 minutes. I will go ahead to drain the water and set it aside and prepare our sauce. In a pot, I added vegetable oil and allowed it to get hot. Then I added a chopped onions. I'll just give these onions a quick mix and allow it to fry. After, as the onions is frying, it will be releasing its nice flavor to the oil and it's going to give the food a very nice flavor. Then the next thing I added was my blended ginger and garlic. This ginger and garlic also add very good flavor to the food. After that, I went ahead to mix and allow it to fry for some time before adding my thyme. Then I'll go ahead to add curry powder. The curry powder also gives it a very good flavor. It's just same method as preparing Nigerian jollof rice, so we'll be using same method for this jollof spaghetti. Then I went ahead to add my tomato paste. Then after adding the tomato paste, I will just give it a good mix. Now as I'm mixing, all these ingredients are combining, and make sure to fry the tomato paste very well so that it can take off any sour taste. Then I added salt and I'll just give it a mix. Make sure the tomato is being fried in a very low or medium heat to avoid it from getting burnt. Then I went ahead to add my seasoning powder. At this point, the tomato paste is frying like you can see in the bubble, and you can see also that it will start getting dry. And once it's getting dry, it will be releasing its oil, and at this point you will know that the tomato paste is well fried. I covered it to fry for some time, and now the tomato paste is well fried because the oil is already floating on top of the tomato. Then the next thing I'll be doing is to add the meat stock. In this video, I did not show how I prepared the meat stock because I already prepared the meat stock earlier. Making the meat stock is not a difficult thing. You can see in my previous videos on how I make my meat stock for jollof rice, fried rice, or soups. Now for the meat stock is just boiling of the meat, adding the ingredients you need like curry, thyme, maggi, salt, pepper, that's all, and allow the meat or the chicken or the fish or anything you wish to use to boil for some minutes. Then once it's ready, you just sieve out the water. After adding the meat stock, I covered to boil for 10 to 20 minutes. Then I went ahead to add the spaghetti. I will add the spaghetti and just give it a quick mix to combine all ingredients together. After mixing, make sure while mixing your spaghetti, it's on a low heat, on a medium heat to avoid it from burning when you cover it to cook. Now I'm mixing the spaghetti in a low heat. After mixing it, making sure that all the ingredients soak into the spaghetti and they are well combined, I will cover to cook for 5 to 10 minutes because spaghetti cooks very fast. And remember, we boiled the spaghetti earlier. Now I went ahead to add my chopped tomatoes. So this will come at the end when you are already done with cooking. So I added this chopped tomatoes and I will just give it a quick mix. then I'll cover it just for the tomato to steam for another 2 to 3 minutes. This is the point where you add any veggie of your choice, maybe the red bell pepper, green, or the yellow bell pepper, or tomatoes, because the spaghetti is well cooked. Now, after adding your veggies, you can just give it a good mix. Just make sure you stir it very well. If you're still watching this video to this moment, this is the right time to subscribe. This is the right time to give this video a like and also leave your comment in the comment section. Today's appreciation goes to our viewers. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your shares, and thank you for also liking our video. And to our wonderful subscribers, thank you for subscribing to our channel. Thank you for adding to the growth of this channel. Hooray, we are 25 subscribers stronger, and I am so happy. Thank you so much. At this point, our delicious Nigerian jollof pasta is ready. You can as well test to know if you need to add more salt or anything, but I'm sure at this moment everything is well combined and ready. So it's very easy to make and it's very quick. You can make this for your dinner, lunch, and within a twinkle of an eye, your food is ready. I would love to know how you like to make your delicious pasta in the comment section. And also don't forget to like our videos and share our videos. And also try making your own delicious jollof spaghetti using this method. I assure you, you will love it and you will enjoy it, and everyone around you will love it and enjoy it, and you will thank me later. See you in our next video. Thank you so much for watching our video, and bye.